provincial government here is very consistent with the Philippines being acknowledged on the global stage as an example of really preparing and preventing disasters. And just to follow Usek's main message, this workshop is part of the ongoing struggle between memory and forgetfulness and complacency. And the more we remember in terms of the hazards we have faced, the more we remember the resilience that we have. In the Philippines is excellent at that, as is the Pacific. Then the better chance we have of conquering that forgetfulness, which really opens up communities, individual households and countries to the impacts of disaster. And here in the Philippines, you have such a lot of experience to draw from in terms of Yolanda, which is now, what, five years ago. Here in Bohol, several hazards. And I think the opportunity of this workshop is to really share that experience on the ground, as well as the provincial and national government leadership, because this is not easy. We're facing a new normal of climate change, which is seeing more extreme, more unpredictable, more intense weather events such as storms, flooding. We're already seeing that both here in the Philippines and the Pacific. And we have other drivers of disaster risk, such as rapid urbanization, the fact that we're working against nature, not with nature. So all of these challenges, we really need to look at this, and I would like to commend the leadership of both the national and provincial Philippines government for bringing 12 Pacific Island states here, small islands, but maritime cultures, just like you have in the Philippines here. You're a maritime nation, as are these countries. And I think over the next 3 days, what you will hear from the Pacific, even though they're much smaller than the Philippines, is they have a shared culture of resilience. They have a lot of experience. And I think this international exchange is something that will really benefit communities here in the Philippines.
So after this, you'll come up with one paper, position paper, or whatever after this?
Well, as I said, the outcomes of this 3-day workshop will feed into regional forums and global forums. So next month in Mongolia, there is the biggest event in the disaster reduction world of the 2 years. It's hosted by the government of Mongolia, and that will really set policy objectives and share good practice from around Asia. And this workshop will feed into that. And then next year in Switzerland, the government of Switzerland and the Canton of Geneva will host something called the Global Platform on Disaster Risk Reduction, where the whole world comes together. And again, the lessons and the learnings from this workshop between the Philippines and the Pacific, those learnings will be shared at the Global Platform next May.